Crochet earring tutorial number 3.
Hi guys, welcome back to Jiuv Myer Studio Vlog. For today's video, I will show you how to make this crochet earring. Let's go! For this process, I will use this to color of mercerized cotton thread. Crochet hook number 8. And this example earring I made earlier. Let's start. First make a magic ring. Make to chain. 2 pieces of double crochet on the loop. Next make 3 pieces of chain. Next make 3 pieces of double crochet and 3 pieces chain. Repeat this for 3 times to make a total of 4 set of double crochet. Once done, find the tail of the thread, then pull to tighten. Slip stitch on the very first to chain, followed by chain 1 to close. Cut the excess thread. Now we have a small square. First layer is done, let's proceed on the next layer. For the second layer, I will use this yellow gold thread. Join the second color in any 3 chain space. Just leave that tail at the back. Make 3 pieces of chain and 2 pieces double crochet in the same space. Now we have total of 3 double crochet including that 3 chain. Make 3 chain and 3 double crochet in the same space. Make 1 chain. Make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet in the next 3 chain space. If you love this crochet earring tutorial, please don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified for my upcoming video. Next make 1 chain. Make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet in the next 3 chain space. chain 1 again. Make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet in the next 3 chain space. For the last part, make 1 chain. Slip stitch on the very first 3 chain, then chain 1 to close. Cut the thread. Now we're done on the second layer. You can cut or keep that tail on the back. For the third layer, I will use again the rusty orange thread. Insert the thread in any chain 1 space. Just keep the tail at the back of the project. Make 3 chain. Make 2 double crochet in the same space. Make chain 1. Make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet in the next 3 chain space. Make chain 1 followed by 2 double crochet and 3 chain, then slip stitch to close. Cut the excess thread. Here's what it looks like after making the third layer. Now let's proceed on the last part. For the last part, I'm going to use the yellow gold thread. Insert the thread in the 3 chain space. Make 3 chain, 2 double crochet in the same space. Next, make 3 chain, 2 double crochet and 3 chain in the same space. Slip stitch in the same space to close. Cut the thread. And here's the finished product. All excess thread we need to sew or hide that at the back of that project. Now that all excess thread are high, here's the result. To complete the earring look, let's proceed on the next step by attaching the metal findings. We're almost done. And here's the finished product of my crochet dangle earring. I hope you like it. If you wish to buy this earring, just visit my Shopee store and my Facebook page. Just check the link on description box. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and see next video. Goodbye everyone. For more video, just click this.